Hey, what's up, guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Albert Sartuccia here, and I had one of our YouTube subscribers call in and was asking about what stickers we actually have, and I thought I actually filmed one up close, but I didn't. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and do that right now.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta line. I'ma call the whole team.
So that way y'all can check out all of our stickers and we'll get them set up. So let's check this out. That one. We got that in 3 different colors. It's supposed to be. Let's see. Yes. So we put this one in the wrong spot. There we go. So we got that one in 3 colors. We also got sharks. Girl Shark 2. We got that. It's supposed to be in 3 different colors too. And nope, I guess not. Sorry, girls. I will have to fix that up. So, and we've got a great white. Just want to snuggle. This one's got, I love to make the big girls bite. The hammerhead. We also got it in a sand tiger. And another one in a great white. And let's see what we got here. And that's one of the ones that I got in my truck. A couple of friends got these. Yep. And yes, we do have some Big Havoc stickers. Got our Hard Life stickers right there, yeah, for sure. Some pretty cool stickers. Some more of the best buds over here. Still got more over here. Also got that one on my truck too. that has actually happened to me. So just keep paddling. That's what I kept telling myself, just keep paddling.